So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to get a voided check from Capital One. So first, you need to access your phone and make sure that you open your web browser or search engine. But in this case, I'm going to use Safari because it is available on my phone. So after that, you're going to utilize the search bar for you to able to search for Capital One. So after you search it, you will redirect to this page wherein you will click the first link that comes in. So once you click on that, you will redirect to the official page of the Capital One. So after that, you're going to scroll it down until you reach the footer, and under that, you will see a bunch of options right here, which is the products, get to know us, on the go, legal, and support. You just have to click on the support and will pop up some drop down menu. And as you can see, you could click the contact us, which is located at the bottom. Once you click on that one, you will redirect to their page wherein the customer support might help you assisted to get a voided check from their bank. So actually, you just have to scroll it down until you see their support, wherein you would get their hotline via 1-877-383-4802. So they can actually assist you via call and they can actually help you with their representative. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.